11, and 12. I'm starting off with Chapter 11, the digestive system, with the symptomatic terms. Space. First one is anorexia, which is a loss of appetite. Aphasia, the inability to swallow. Ascites, accumulation of fluid in the peritoneal cavity. Number 4, diarrhea, frequent loose or liquid stools. Number 5, constipation, infrequent or incomplete bowel movements characterized by hardened dry stool that is difficult to pass. Dyspepsia, indigestion. Number 8 is dysphagia, difficulty in swallowing. Number 9 is eructation, which is a belch. And number 10 is flatulence, which is gas in the stomach or intestines. Number 11 is halitosis, which is bad breath. Okay, now for Chapter 12. Chapter 12, the urinary system. This is part of the operative terms. This is on page 456. First word is nephrolithotomy, which is the incision into the kidney for the removal of stones. Nephrolithotomy. Number 2 is nephrectomy, which is the excision of a kidney. Number 3 is pyeloplasty, surgical reconstruction of the renal pelvis. Number 4 is stent placement, use of a device, a stent, to hold open vessels or tubes. Number 5 is kidney transplantation, transfer of a kidney from the body of one person to another. Next one is renal transplantation, which is the same thing, transfer of a kidney from one body to another. Urinary diversion, creation of a temporary or permanent diversion of the urinary tract to provide a new passage through which the urine exits the body. It's used to treat defects or diseases, such as bladder cancer. I forgot what number that was. Number 8. Non-continent ileal conduit, removal of a portion of the ileum to use as a conduit to which the ureters are attached to at one end. The other end is brought through an opening, a stoma, created in the abdomen, and the urine drains continually into an external appliance. Non-continent indicates that urine cannot be held and drains continually. I think that was 8, right? Yeah. Number 9, orthotopic bladder, which is an artificial bladder placed at the site of the excised bladder, constructed from portions of intestine connected to the urethra, allowing natural voiding. Also called neobladder. Neobladder, which is the same thing. An artificial bladder placed at the site of the excised bladder. And last one is continent urostomy, which is an internal reservoir constructed from a segment of intestine that diverts urine through an opening that is brought through the abdominal wall. A valve is then created internally to prevent leakage, and the patient empties the pouch by catheterization. Continent refers to the ability to hold or retain urine. Okay, that is it. Let me know how I did.